What's going on, guys? SCS now. Hey, well, I was gonna say today, but it's not all happening today. So in this series of this video, I'm gonna start doing some trailer maintenance. I replaced the lights when I did this last tow. And let me say something too on the tows, man. I tow for people like that I know. So if they ever need a car going in the direction I'm going, or something like that, I'll tow it. But just as far as towing just to tow, I won't tow because I be having other stuff to do. Yeah, so I found out what I was doing wrong with the trailer. So when it be wet and I try to take the trailer up the driveway, but in a dirt area, I try to ride the curb so I won't smack the trailer up the bushes, and that's how I always break the lights. So now I know what to do. If it's wet, leave it in the driveway. So the light's been replaced. I'm gonna pressure wash it. I remember replace the jack on it because it's bent and it's time at that time. Grease the axles. New winch. I had a 12K went out. I bought a 5K, which I'm about to do a return because I don't have time to be fab and stuff right now. Like anything that takes more time, I'll just pay for whatever I had before or whatever the fastest option because I ain't got time to be doing all that fab and stuff. So I seen the 9K is real similar to what I had. Should mount up to the same hose that I had on the trailer. We'll get a 9K and then I'm gonna order some rollers. I want 2 rollers, one in the front, one in the back. What rollers do? Well, really, one in the front, the one in the back, I don't really need too much. And then I don't want to rent some equipment that's gonna ride over my roller that I put right there. So I could make a temporary mount roller or something like that. I don't know if that's the thing, but I'll figure something out. So I'm gonna order 2 rollers. The roller, well, I've been told y'all I need it. It rides. The cable rides on the roller, so it don't ride on like a 90 on the frame and tear up the cable. This winch ain't last long enough for it to tear up. So, and I know what I did to tear the winch up. Let me tell you, this is what I did. Do not do this. I disengaged the trailer, right? Let the car roll off, engage the trailer, and I think I tore the gears inside the winch. But whatever it is, it's fixed. I just ain't got time to fix it, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy a whole nother winch because I need it like this week. I need it for 2 cars. Put J-Rock truck in the shop, and then it's another car I'm moving. But yeah, I know now. Use a chock or something, or have somebody else jump in the truck, press the brake, because I ain't trying to keep buying the same equipment over. But like I said, it might get fixed over time, it might not. I don't know. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go swap out the 5K for the 9K, and then I'm gonna buy a jack. I wanted to buy a nice expensive jack, but hey, that jack that's on there like $35. I'm just gonna buy that and then put it on whenever I can. Okay, so we got another 12K. Same exact what I had, but got a warranty this time. A lot of people be like, man, you gonna charge me more because the car don't want? Like, bro, some people don't understand. Some people just be trying to plain get over. It's actually kind of irritating. So think about it. Say if a car runs, you need to drive it off trailer, drive it in the shop, boom. If a car don't run, you have to spend more time getting it, winch it on, more equipment. When you get it to the shop, you gotta spend more time getting it off. So we have a weld on swivel jack. Kind of like, I used one of these before and I like the way this works versus what I got. I got the one that goes through the frame, but I mean it could still work, but I really didn't want to go with that one. So this one should do me a little better. What's up, SCS, man? We back with another one. I need to go get me a reverse camera so I can know where I'm at. Buying these fenders back. I'm gonna take that plate off and do it. That ain't gonna work. Let's see. Straight. And this is what the roller for. The cable, y'all probably can see the marks. The cable was riding on that. And I had the winch in my cart, didn't buy it, and now it's not in my cart no more. And I don't know what the name of it is or nothing. So if anybody know what the name, the metal roller, I showed y'all my big 3 car. So the cable don't get messed up. It rolls on the roller instead of on the frame. Please send it to me. Bad boy. I only show y'all. I don't do free promos, but showing y'all that winch because that thing can pull anything and it's heavy. So I'm getting the dolly to put it on there. I ain't wanna do no fab work. And this is so easy to hook up and disconnect that, hey, let's save me some time. Time is money over here. Oh no. Oh yeah, I do know. I got the thing backwards. I'm saying I don't know what changed, but it ain't lining up. Thank God, man, it stopped the little drizzle that it was doing. So put this thing about right here, and we don't come in contact with anything else. So I'm gonna clean this area off real quick. Oh, it's drizzling again. I just got my gas ready, so shit. Pray I don't get electrocuted. Let me go ahead and just try to knock this out, man. It probably take about 5 minutes to wear that thing on. Okay, got my fresh can. I ain't never seen the thing. Well, this is my second time buying a MIG welding tank. So I was about at 200 PSI and it was welding funny, so I knew that was low. I ain't never seen it. Like I said, it's my second time to where it come at, 24, 23 something. So I just want y'all to let me know if y'all still watching it. Dude, is this what it come at when you get a new tank? Because I don't really know. But yeah, let's see. I should have enough length to make it. Need a little bit more. All right, yeah, we got enough. Let me go get my blades on. Bam, I'm ready to do something. Yeah, I'm glad I got that light right here because I can't see jack. Can't see the jack with these on. All right, so I'm about to clean this thing up, and then we'll get to welding it on. Clean this part up. I'm gonna clean this part so I can get me a good ground on it. I'm getting some Chaser's paint. I ain't never paint that area where I took that stick off last time. For those who still watching, remember I said no free promo. I'm so serious about that, man. Companies love when you promote them for free, but I ain't getting, you know, you pay full price. And that ain't how this work over here. You be working hard for your dollars and just say, hey, I got it from them. They'll give you not a dime, not even a thank you. Nope, not me. So let me get my blades on, and we gonna go ahead and weld this thing up. Right.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Vlog. I smashed that thing, so I gotta fix that. Well, I'm already right here, so I can back this trailer back up. Then this jack, I'm just grind around. Hopefully, cause this side look, I don't know if it's wet, but that side look broke. So if I could just grind that wheel down and then slide the jack up or whatever, I'll be good. So yeah, after that, I think I'll be done with the trailer. Cause it's clean, got the jack, got the winch, and then I'll be waiting on the roller, and I'll be officially done. And grease the axle, but I'll just do that another time. So now I gotta grind this all off and re-weld it. Shit. All right, got the angle I want. I just noticed this thing got a Zerk fitting. So that's good. All the grind, boy, I just did I'm gonna say hours, but mid 30 minutes in grinding, man. So, told y'all, man, I messed that up, but I got it fixed. I grinded around there, got that wheel broke, and this is shoot, it ain't showing, but let me get my welding wire off first, make it look pretty. Nah, it's alright though, it worked. This is like new now. Hold on, I can jack this up a little bit. Hold on. Yeah, I could grind it down, but for those who don't know, welding, that fat weld is strength. So, shoot, I'm spray that thing, leave the whole thing just like that. My wire wheel it, spray it black, cause I'm gonna have to spray this black. I don't like that rust look. Now we just gotta find a way to get this damn thing off, which I have no clue. Yeah, it gotta come from the bottom, so. I'm so glad that I got this done today, cause once I pull the motor out that Suburban, you gotta go ASAP. I ain't got time to be fooling with this trailer. That's why I was trying to shoot for getting it knocked out, man, cause once I gotta sit down and do something, I try to knock it out, man. Something come up, like, okay, I gotta push it back, but still, I got other stuff in line after that, and I be using certain stuff to get it done, which is, this is like a main piece of all the puzzles of transporting and moving stuff around. So yeah, I showed y'all, just cut that hole, and it was bent a little. If y'all was looking previously, I took my big hammer, boom, took this, banged it straight. So it's good enough for me. Look at that, I got my stuff back. yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Like I said, it was about to get real interesting when I get to the shop. I'm still getting stuff in order to be able to use the shop or to get in the shop. I've been putting off moving in there because I want to put my loft up. So, I mean, I might have to go in without the loft because the garage, I could fit 2 cars in the shop, 2 extra cars. There's 4 cars in there. I could fit 2 more in there. But I would rather put 2 cars in the garage and keep the shop just like it is. So, yeah, figuring it out little by little, man. But y'all stay tuned. I'm done with this. Finally, definitely took some time. So roller and grease my axles, and I'm done, I guess, for the whole year. The only thing I'm gonna have to do again is grease my axles unless something break. But yeah, y'all definitely stay tuned. SCS, man, I'm out. When I tell y'all this don't get old right here, man. Man, it just don't get old, bro. Damn.